Are you one of those who don't know how to create a video speak hairline or this Lagos trendy hairline on a 5x5 closure? Okay, working on a 5x5 closure that has a video speak hairline. So my first step will always be to create my 5x5 closure shape, because this is what to guide us into creating this hairline. So for a normal 5x5 closure unit, to create a blueprint, you know the height should be 5 and the width should be 5. That is, it will give you a square since all the shapes are the same. So this is me trying to create my normal blueprint for a 5x5 closure before I move into mine. After making out the structures and making sure they are equal, I have to mark out the base of my closure, which should be 1 inch, and mark out my hairline, which should also be 1 inch. And then I'll go ahead to give it a small lines or columns that are always the same. This helps you in your hairline ventilation. Then so after creating a normal 5x5 closure structure, the next thing will be to focus at the hairline in order to create this video speak hairline. If you know me very well, I always like using measurements to mark out my blueprints, because this makes it very easy and important for my students to learn. Now this is where the mathematics in me comes out, because I'll be working with a lot of measurements like 0.5, 1 inch, 2 and 4 cm for this particular hairline. So the first thing is to mark out these your points, or mark out these numbers using your ruler and your pen. After marking these points out, use a point or an arc to make them visible. So after that, the next one will be joining these points or arcs that you marked out, like the one I'm doing. Firstly, I always draw the triangular shape. After the triangular shape, from there I will trace to the second point I marked, and then curve while going towards the end. If there is something I discovered about curving this towards the end part, that is what makes your hairline more visible. If there's any important part I've learned in this hairline creation that people always neglect, is curving this end point, because I have worked with a closure where I didn't curve it and I know how it looked. So this should be the place you will focus more, and because this helps to bring out your hairline. So after doing the left hand side, I'm also doing the right hand side. You see that particular curve, exactly what I did here is what I'm talking about. So this is exactly how my hairline looks like. I'll just go ahead to make it more curvy instead of the edge being very sharp. So this is it. This is our hairline. If you ventilate with this, you get exactly what you are seeing up there. Thanks very much, guys, and bye.